Me rate Spice and me respect her for comfort and she donate. And that's all matters. She donate something.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
If Spice do good, them bash her. If Spice do bad, them bash her. What you expect the woman to do? You know, some feel like if Spice even start walk on water, them a go tear her down same way. People, R.I.P. to Sister Charmian, a veteran in the music business. And big up to Lady Ann. Lady Ann and Sister Charmian was very close. But due to Sister Charmian's passing recently, a GoFundMe account was set up, you know, for help out with funeral arrangements and stuff like that. And Spice, being the person she is, Spice sent in a contribution. And people, them a tear down Spice for that too. Well, Lady Ann, big up yourself, Lady Ann. Lady Ann see it and Lady Ann say, no man, me have to lash out against this. And Lady Ann speak out. Because at the end of the day, Spice did not have to contribute a cent. This right here, so, is what Lady Ann had to say.
The death of Sister Charmian, to the make 1 week, make since Sister Charmian die. Yeah. And I see a lot of female in the industry. Them do interview, them do this, them say R.I.P., them do all of them for do. But up to the time, me not see not one of them donate a penny. Yeah, because Sister Charmian didn't have anything, because you know all the music business go for we, the veteran dancehall artists. In my idea, me in the music industry before Charmian, when me come in the music, when me I come overseas to come do a show, 150 US me get. When me I do a show in Jamaica, at 3,000 US, 3,000 Jamaican, yeah, me 300 Jamaican dollar me I get. Yeah, I will take it because we never understand the business and we never run down the money part of the business, that's the business part of the business. We just love the thing and we just take it for fun. Anyway, Spice, dancehall queen Spice, a little baby for me and Charmian. We could have Spice reach out, yes, and she donate. And una bash her, but she never have to donate in a quiet. Yes, she donate $1,000, big me and that. No for the rest of female, them none of the male, them most of them not in just to not donate anything. None of them didn't donate anything. So a Spice, but come after we in the business, come and she donate. It's a good look. Spice donate is a good look. Whether me not care one say whether if Spice didn't even donate $10, we appreciate it. Cause you know why? She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. Yes, Spice better than the rest of them in the industry. Spice donate. Ask the rest of them how much them put. Ask the rest of them how much them donate. How much them put. Call the rest of female DJ them from me, my time, to Charmian time, and ask them how much them donate. Charmian didn't left no will. Charmian didn't die left anything because she didn't have anything for left because them rob her everything. Now Spice come forth now as a little younger girl. We just come to the music donkey years after we. I hear about Sister Charmian dead and she donate her money. If she didn't even donate $1, she's still better than the rest of them. If Spice didn't even donate $1, Spice better than the rest of them. Yeah, it upset me for see Pinkwall, big up on yourself in a Pinkwall. You don't know me rate Pinkwall and my place. But for the people that over there bass Spice, me upset. One year bass Spice for. You know what should I say? You know what should I say? Did the rest of female in the business donate? And that one should I say? Spice never have to donate anything, but she come forth and she did. You understand? Una give her some credit now, man. Give Spice some credit, man. She never have to donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. And she give some for help Bird Charmian, and we thankful. The rest of them not do nothing. The rest of them just go do interview for promote for them own things. Did them do anything? Them not do any $1. Look how much female in the industry. Look how much of them we can't call name. Look how much male in the industry. And a Spice alone. But yet still Spice show her gratitude and she donate. Don't do that, man. One over Pink Wall talk about she fi donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. So she free for donate anyhow she choose. Big up yourself, Spice. You're better than the rest, Spice. Me lady and the first lady a dancer and endorse you. Big up yourself, Spice. Me no care what nobody want to say. You donate and that's all matter. That's 1,000 more towards the 20,000 where we did a look. Yeah. So no make them break you down. And you no care what them chat say, Spice. You're better than the rest. Cause look out to them make 1 week since Sister Chamia dead. How much of the female them donate something to her? None of them. None of them. Not one of them. Not one of them reach out to Chamia and daughter. All we hear us say them reach out to Chamia and daughter. Lie them a tell. Not one of them. Not one of them. So, Pink Wall, like me say, big up on yourself and all of that. Me read Pink Wall, like me say, Pink Wall, a female players. But, you do a bad Spice. What you for say? I don't know for say Spice should have done donate anonymous. For what? Spice work hard for her money. You don't think this music industry is full of Wobia nice? And all of them are talk about Wobia and Spice I work Wobia. You don't pray me no comfort, you know. You know why me no comfort yet come slow up the wall and water go like a Spice alone? I just chew my daughter in my skin. Cause any of my daughter never not my skin. All wall on attack and I jump up like a Spice alone and walk over here. The wall of we blood clot walk over here. The wall of blood clot we go over here, man. The wall away. So stop one like you RT run out and a done Spice. Like Spice and the bad one alone. The wall of we guilty as mama blood clot charge. The wall of we guilty. The wall away. From the first to the pussy clot last. So stop one like a Spice alone did go. Uno go to. Uno don't make me come talk, you know. Uno go to. The wall we go. The wall we go and a Spice alone go. And Spice donate her good money, yeah? When you donate, when Uno donate. Uno stop it, man. Pink Wall. Uno for big up Spice. Pink Wall, big up Spice. Cause Chamia didn't die leave anything because she never have anything to leave because them rob everything. But yet still Spice when her friend come forth as a co-worker at the dance hall and she donate. And that is a good look. And if she want to put up her name so she donate, nothing wrong. She better than the rest. The GoFundMe page is up there. Uno go look. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look how much female in the business. You see none of them come forth? No, not one of them come forth. So Spice, big up yourself. Like me say, me respect you and me rate you. Cause you better than the rest of them. You better than the rest of them. And all what you name now the pizza you walk over the whole of them walk over you. Don't feel guilty, I know you alone. I want you for them wanna come to the light yet. I want me no come out, come talk yet. But wait. What beyond to them? Wait. You not go like you no guilty, you not go like so on a slate cleaner than Spice one. No, it not cleaner than Spice one. The whole of mama blood clot that how we go. The whole of we go at a point in our career. We go. So no stop it. We go. You go, me go, she go, and he go too. Stop it. But me come forth, cause me sip on Pink Wall, them a go like Spice do something wrong. Spice no do nothing wrong. She do it. Stop say she should have got anonymous for what? One of should have said who is donate to Sister Charmian burial. Sister Charmian open the gate for a lot of them. Whole heap of them. No for the swing and the style where them in a Charmian thing too. Did they donate? Did they call Kadisha and say condolence? No. No. They did not. They didn't. So Pinkwall, do the story again and say, so where the rest of female them there? Where the male them there? How much uno donate to Charmian burial? That more I want to say. How much of them donate to Charmian burial? Not one of them. Not one of them donate. I think Tana Stephen donate. Yeah, Tana Stephen donate too. But nobody has a donate in the industry as female. Some of the male them donate. Yeah, the male singer, veteran singer them. I don't know about the modern one them. Some of the male singers donate. But, enough about Spice. The rest of them should be ashamed. Spice donate and they don't. Me never hear Spice do not interview or talk nothing about Charmian and them. She miss Charmian and she this. No. The rest of them they do. The whole of them use Spice Charmian dead for them own advantage. None of them not donate nothing. Not one of them. Not even a candy. Not even a nickel. So Pinkwall, it's a good look. Me rate Spice and me respect her for comfort and she donate. And that's all matters. She donate something so Charmian can get a good look burial. At least she help for put on Charmian good. So the dirty mouth where Glida says she a drunk and junkie no can say well she very good. Them have to go say she very good and because of Spice help she go very good. Yeah, and that me I say. So that's why I'm big up on myself you know. And stop it. When you stop it, stop chew a blood clot shade. Cause the whole I know chew a pussy clot shade. But obia, the whole I know go. The whole I know. Don't make her do a next life and come phony, you know. Cause you go have to put out blood clot it for me. I said you don't want to put out no it for me. Let me pick them. When you love me, you know. I make my friend go in peace. When you don't tear her down. Remember so no help who be a Charmian too, you know. Remember, you know. When you forgot. When you forgot, so you got who be a woman for Charmian. You know what? My daughter over here tell me to leave it alone. Me can leave it alone. All I want to say, Pinkwall, you have for me place. You know that for years, Pinkwall have a place. Don't say Spice should have donate anonymous. No. Spice free for donate any how she please her like. Cause guess what? She better than the rest. She donate. The rest of them never donate. So what? Big up on yourself. Big up all of the blogger them. Big up everybody for my life. And have a blessed day. Yeah, and that me say big up, give time.
Now once again, me have to say big up to Lady Ann because Lady Ann said it all. Watch out, man, me not even gonna address the Obia working part. You know, I'm gonna leave that part there alone. But upon the whole point of them bashing Spice for doing something good, somehow you don't have nothing to do with no time. You don't need to go find something to do. Seeing? Watch ya, people, me not say nothing more about this. Just start me down in the comment section and make me know. And as a matter of fact, you know, big up Lady Ann too. Because Lady Ann never have to address this neither. She could have just see the comments and just keep quiet. But Lady Ann couldn't sit back and just make that slide. Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.